Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my knotless braids, how I tie them up, how I keep my real hair moisturized, and how I style them. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I absolutely love these braids. They are super duper lightweight, unlike traditional box braids. They're not heavy, there's no tension. The only con I have about it, they don't stay neat long at all. Like a week in, my hair was looking like this. I am natural, so this is my real hair coming through, sticking out. So we're on week 2. They look really nice still. If like the frizziness and your roots getting loose doesn't bother you, then this is the style for you. It does bother me, like, but you know, I'm finessing it, so it's fine until so I'm gonna show you guys how I've been like making them look neat and like okay. It doesn't look half as bad as it does when I wake up every morning. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make them look neater than they really are. So what I do every night is I take some edge booster, edge control, and I got this from my local beauty supply, and I take this little edge brush, edge comb, whatever, and I will take the braid. So I'm gonna unravel this one so you can see what I'm talking about. I do have some shedding. That's what the little white balls is, like your hair follicle. This edge control does leave white residue, so that could also be it. And also I have makeup on, so that could be it too. So this is how much my hair has grown out already. Yeah, they pretty much all look like this. It has been 2 weeks. So I take some edge control on my brush. My brush is dirty because I use it every day. Don't judge me. And I just brush all the hair up into the braid, right, with the edge control. I just twist it, and I twist my real hair just around the braid. And then I would take a clip. I'm not going to do it now, but I would take a clip and I would clip it. So after I've done the whole perimeter, that's the only part I do. I don't do like any in the back or anything. So then I take some of the TGIN Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse, and I put some all over, just like this. And I don't rub it all the way in. I just, you know, make sure it's not just on top of my head. And then I take my satin scarf that I tie my hair up with, and I'll put it on. Of course, just tie it up, let the braids fall into this huge bonnet that I have. It's meant for braids, and I'll go to sleep. Then when I wake up in the morning, I will take some Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Finishing Oil Serum, and this is just 100% virgin coconut oil, and I will spray some in my hand, rub my hands together, and I'll put it all throughout my hair. And I bring it all the way down, and I'm just moisturizing my real hair as well. Take some more for the back. And you want to make sure you're protecting your hair in your protective style. Also, you don't want to just get a protective style and forget about your real hair, because I don't know about everyone else, but everyone I go to for braids, they recommend you to not put anything in your hair, no type of oil, no type of cream, just so they can grip the hair better. So your hair is basically just stripped and just not moisturized in your braids. So I try to run a little bit of that through there. And then sometimes if my hair is feeling a little itchy in just one place, I'll put some dry scalp treatment, and that's it. It has the little nozzle on it. So that's all I do for these braids. Quick, easy, straight out the door. So now I'm going to show you how I've been styling it. So style number 1 is I just wear them down, straight to the back, whatever, just down. So going straight into style number 2, I take some rubber bands. You just need one. I take 2 perimeter braids on one side, and I take 2 perimeter braids on the other side, rubber band them. And I do a little flip under just to ensure it's not flying. And that is it for style number 2. So for the next style, we are just going to flip over a little bit more to give us more of a deep side part, and we are just going to flat twist our braids. Then I'm going to take 1 or 2 braids behind the twist, and I'm just going to pull it to the back.
Using this 1 perimeter braid over here, and we're just going to rubber band it again.
It's still down, it's just out of your face, and it's giving you a little texture. And you can put it all to the side, and it's just really cute. So going straight into the next style, we are just going to take that twist, and we are just going to continue to twist it down, all the way down. I have about this much hair left, and I'm just going to rubber band it, and I'm just going to let that hang. So going into the next one, you're just going to need a regular scrunchie ponytail holder. We are just going to do a half up, half down. So I'm taking like only a couple of braids because knotless braids are not as thick as box braids either, so it can look very thin. You want to just pick up as much hair as you can to frame your face how you want it. And you could just take a bobby pin and pin it so you don't have to keep wrapping it because you don't want it too thick. So into the next style, you want to take your braids really loosely, not too precise because they are not as thick as regular box braids. So if you make it too tight and precise, your bun will be small and it won't look as nice. To the next style, we are just going to find our middle part and bring our braids down and take 2 of your perimeter braids on each side. I'm just going to smooth them out, get them flat as possible, and wrap it around the ponytail. Into the next style, we are just going to turn this into a bun.
One of the smokers to watch my ride, just like at the car wash, but he gonna do it right outside.
Take the braids that we left out for our swoop, and I'm just going to ponytail it. I'm just going to wrap 2 braids around the ponytail holder. What are you doing? This is so cute, right?
Princess, a queen.
For the last style, we are just going to throw So yeah, this is how I've been styling my knotless braids. I love them. I would absolutely recommend them. The only con, like I said, is they don't stay neat for long at all. But if that doesn't bother you, this is definitely the protective style for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.